was near, so I face the final curtain. My old friend, I'll say clear, state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway, bound more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so it you without